everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to add wheelchair on Emirates. So guys, the first method is visit your website and Emirates website, as you can see here on the screen. After that guys, enter your go to your manage booking here and click on choose your seat, as you can see here guys, and you have two options: enter your booking reference number and here and your name. For example, your name is Adan, and after that write your booking reference guys. And what you have to do guys here, write your click on the special assistance after the find reservation, and after that guys click on select your wheelchair assistance. Under the special assistance section, provide your information required your booking wheelchair and submit button to share your request with airline. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you another video. Keep watching. Any question down below on comment guys, and I will answer your question.